Welcome to the WP Franklin Lock and Dam Okeechobee Waterway Fishing Pier on the Caloosahatchee River. Foot traffic only, no pets on the pier. Let's go see if there's any manatee or fish or fishermen or ducks or birds.
Or alligator.
I haven't seen a gator. I just saw a fish though. Okay. Thought maybe it was a manatee rattling his tail. Kind of windy today. Probably can't spot him. Anyhow, across the street there is the WP Franklin South day use area. I haven't been there yet. As many times as I've been to this side, I have not been on the south side. Be too deep out here for manatees, probably, because they like to graze on the grass. Boy, it's windy. Very windy today. There's been boats locking through. Oh, somebody's fishing. Or they locked their fishing net. Okay. Water doesn't look like much of a difference. Maybe a foot. I don't know. The fishing pier. What do you think? That bird's pretty vocal over there.
I'd say an oil jug laying up there.
Well, it probably floated up there, possibly. Okay, continue our tour. Oh, there's our campsite. We are site number what? 14? Yeah, 14. So that may be a manatee there. We got 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Water looks pretty brackish today, but that's not unusual. There's WP Franklin Campground. There's 30 sites here. There is a boat ramp, boat launch right there. I want to make a cruise down the river. That way goes to Miami. That way goes to Fort Myers, Naples. That way goes to Crystal. Let's go see something. Boy, it's windy. That's good though. It's hot. See anything notable? A turtle. Crystal says, watch out, there's a turtle. My golly, there is a turtle. Okay. I don't know how that's filming. What did I do, scare it? No, it's still there. Mr. T. Jumping back in. So we seen the manatee swimming over there by the white camper where that other dock is that you can't go out on. There was at least a family of them. Okay, that'll be the end of this little clip.